All right, now I want to show you the Brain Wallet. What is this thing, Brain Wallet? You have a wallet in your brain? Yes, that's correct. And you can see it actually has one of the most secure options to have a wallet. It's not very practical, but you can use a Brain Wallet. So you just memorize a seed phrase that corresponds to your private and public key. Again, not the most user-friendly thing in the world, but how cool is that? You can store $1 million, whatever, just in your brain. You don't need a mobile phone. You don't need anything. You just need your brain to store the seed phrase that is going to correspond to your public and private key. How is that possible? Okay, let's jump into it. So I'm going to use this website, which is one of these paper wallet generator. Paper wallet generator, when you go to the website, you need to move around your mouse, as you can see here, to create some randomness, because public and private keys, the private key especially, of course, is created out of randomness. You can check this on my other blockchain course. But you need to generate randomness in order to generate prime numbers that are going to generate the private key. And to make it very, very, very hard to guess, or almost impossible, they need to come from a random source, a source of randomness, okay? And the movement of your mouse in the laptop is a source of randomness. Okay, so I have here I have just generated this wallet, and I could click here, Brain Wallet, and enter a passphrase. Okay, so passphrase, I want to insert. I'm going to insert, and I want to show I love dogs, I love dogs, I love dogs. Okay, so I love dogs 3 times is my passphrase. This is not very secure. If you plan to use a Brain Wallet, it's better create something more more secure. But I just want to give you the idea here. Okay, now I'm going to click view. I click view, and I just generated a public address and a private address. How cool is that? And it's done, right? So, and I can eventually click print and print this wallet and keep it as a backup in a secure place. It's taking a little bit to, okay, here it is. And I could just keep it in a secure place. Or I can just make sure that I don't forget this passphrase. And every time, if I want to have access to this wallet, I can just come to this website. I'm just going to refresh to show it how it would work. And yeah, I need again to, I can skip this. And I will click Brain Wallet again. And view, and I'll have here the private key and the public key that I need to exchange my funds. So it's very easy to use. Now, by the way, if you want to use this kind of website where you generate a paper wallet or a Brain Wallet, in order to be secure, before you generate the wallet, you can disconnect your Wi-Fi, disconnect your computer from the internet. Because imagine if your computer is being monitored by a hacker, he could have access, because I'm just exposing my private keys here, right? So this hacker could have access to my wallet if he is like observing what I'm doing. So before doing this, disconnect your computer from the internet, because this website works without internet connection. And actually, to exemplify how this would work, I'm actually going to send some Doge from my Coinomy wallet. Okay, I'm going to send it from here to this Brain wallet, and then I'm going to recover again the funds from the Brain wallet to the Coinomy wallet. Let's do it. Okay, so I'm going now to click to select send. Okay, and I'm going to scan the QR code of my public address. Okay, so I'm scanning from my laptop, and now I'm going to choose the Dogecoin option. I'm going to put the amount, and I want to transfer 25 Doge. Okay, and I'm going to click continue, confirm, and I need to input my password. All right. Okay. And I'm sending, okay, my Doge to my Brain wallet, to the wallet that you can see here on the screen. Yeah, and what I'm going to do is to just refresh this website. So I'm going to lose this wallet, right? And I'm going to, from my brain, I'm going to remember that I love dogs, I love dogs, I love dogs. And I'm going to recover the wallet, check the address, and withdraw the funds again back to my Coinomy wallet. All right, so I'm going to click here skip, and I'm going to recover my Brain wallet. Okay, so I'll click Brain wallet, and I'm just going to paste I love dogs, I love dogs, I love dogs, click view, and I have here a public address and a private key of my Brain wallet. I'm just going to copy paste this public address, and I want to go to my Dogecoin Explorer, and I'm going to search for my wallet and double check that I indeed have the funds in my wallet. Okay, so I'm going to paste the address here, okay, and click search, and we are going to get the results. So yeah, you see here my address. I indeed have now 25 Doge here. Cool, right? Okay, but now how can I recover the funds back to my Coinomy wallet, right? So I need to go to my, apologies, not this one. I need to go back here, and I have the private key, right? If you have access to the private key, you have access to the funds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going back to my Coinomy wallet, and I'm going to click here ... let me make this bigger. Okay, so I'm going to click this ... and I will select sweep wallet. Okay, and as you can see here, they say you are about to transfer coins from a paper wallet to your Coinomy wallet. After transfer is complete, please avoid reusing the paper wallet for security reasons. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do now is to scan my private key. And I'm going basically to use this QR code scanner to scan the private key that I have here on my laptop. Okay, so I just scanned the private key, and I'm going to click next. Okay, so, and I should be about to receive the 25 Doge from my Brain wallet. How cool is that? Okay, confirm. And again, let's wait 1 or 2 minutes, but I'm receiving the transaction, as you can see here. Cool. Okay, so it really took like a minute or so, and I already have the funds that I received from my Brain wallet to my Coinomy wallet. So I could eventually, as you see, I could generate a brain wallet, put a strong password, a strong passphrase that I keep on my brain, and move whatever money I want just inside my brain. How cool is that? And you can do this, by the way, not only for Dogecoin, but for many other cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin.